my own behalf and on behalf of many of my friends I'm with here, first I want to say thank you and congratulate you, graduates, for successfully completing your courses and for the awards that you have received. I've also learned something very impressive about this congregation, that you appreciate your children and your members when they go through the education, such as the ones that we are appreciating today. And I guess this is partly because you recognize not just the effort, the work that goes into this, but the fact that this is a God-given opportunity to complete studies and do well, or do as well as this have done. But allow me, Pastor, to say one thing as a citizen of Kenya. It's so gratifying to see all of you people. And I very sincerely am filled with a lot of joy and happiness to see you, especially because of this wonderful success that we are seeing here. All of you people did not come here very far away from our home to waste your time here in this country. You have come here, you've done wonders, you've made good use of your time, and the education you're acquiring here, such as we have seen today, is what is going to change lives in our country and change the lives of the children that the Lord has blessed us with. So thank you so very much for being good stewards and for using the opportunity that the Lord has given you to do good. As our speaker has just said this morning, it's very important to use the opportunities we have to do good, to continue learning and to do good as you have done yourselves. So I congratulate you from the bottom of my heart. I thank you very sincerely. And on behalf of my colleagues and those of us who have come here from Kenya, express my very sincere love for you. Continue serving the Lord even when you are here. If I had time, I would have asked the chorister, but another time, remember when you go home and sing that song in our hymnal, number 646. This is my Father's world. Wherever you are, this is your Father's world. We serve the Lord here, we appreciate Him here, we worship Him here, and we continue to serve the Lord with our lives. Very finally, my dear brothers and sisters, there is nothing you can do with your life that is of any value and that is any better than serving the Lord. So everything in this world will pass away. Hata hii mambo tunaongea huko ya madaraka na kila kitu, those things pass. What will never end is the glory, the greatness of God, and the fact that the Lord is God and is eternal. So let's continue worshiping Him in truth and spirit. Let's continue serving the Lord in what we do. And of course, living lives that hoist up a testimony for whom we believe in, because that is what matters in all times. This is a holy place. I cannot say more than this. May the Lord bless you.